Here is this new app called Bentkey Kids Entertainment. So let's just install it and see how it looks like. So just double click to install it. And then, yeah, unlock a new world of adventure. Bentkey is a new streaming service for kids and family dedicated to creating and curating the next generation of timeless content and characters that families below and parents can trust. So amazing new shows like Cheap Chilla, Wonderful Day with Mabel McClay, Gus Plus Us, all of that. So yeah, if you're just like a parent, for example, and you want to find some like app with kids content, this can be a nice choice, as this is kind of like a Netflix for kids. Of course you can just have a kid profile on the Netflix, but you can also give a try to this app. It seems it was just released, not that many ratings, but it's already in the top charts for some time. And these new apps can unlock some nice deals, nice new series, nice subscriptions. And then yeah, here you can see just how it looks like: adventures, Saturday morning cartoons, family time, all of these things. And then yeah, you can just also sign up here. You can create an account as a grown-up or a kid. So then you can just enter your birth year, for example, and then just proceed, create an account with email and password in the standard way. So yeah, that's basically what it is.